How to change the screen on the Acer Aspire 5 laptop. This is the model of the computer that I'm using. First of all, before you do anything, I recommend you just shut off the computer. Sleep mode will not do, just shut it down. You're gonna need some sort of a pry tool and a screwdriver alongside the new panel. This is the panel that I got. It can be found in the description below. All I need to do to get to the screen is to take off the front bezel, which is held in by plastic clasps. There's no screws or adhesive. All you need to do is just to slide your plastic pry tool in between the two plastic pieces and pry them apart. Be sure to take your time with it and go slow, as the clasps can be rather fragile. Now that the screen is exposed, you should take a look at it visually and make sure that this is the same screen that you've got. There should be 4 mounting points, one at each corner of the screen. If it all looks good, just take off those 4 screws and flip the panel onto the keyboard. The screen is connected via this special ribbon cable that's stuck down with this adhesive. All you should do is just undo the adhesive and slide the connector out of the screen. Just put that connector back into your new screen and stick it down with adhesive. Chances are you will not be able to reuse the adhesive. I just used a piece of tape to hold it down instead. After you plug it in, just flip it back down and try it out. See if it all works. So now we're ready for a reassembly process. All you need to do is just shut down the computer and screw the new screen back down. If it all still works, all you need to do is to take off the pre-applied screen protector and snap the bezel back on. Be sure to go around the screen a few times just to make sure that you've got all the clasps, and don't forget about those on the bottom of the screen.